and happy to have every single one of you.
She singled me out.
This team, Martha, if you are not going to be around much longer as in Malaysia, I'm very honored that this is your last show.
I hope not.
Roisin, this is your last SMA show. So thank you very, very much. Unless they pick me like
Nice to meet you.
Ewan, thank you for accepting Elsa and my offer and for putting up the bullshit that we're ready. Lovely, I'm glad you finally made into the program. Harman, we used to talk about this in college, that we worked together one day and we finally did, so thank you very much. Ian, thank you for helping us bump out. And Kaka, thank you very, very much. I've had a great experience working with you. I love you very much. I love every
She loves me very much.
I love every single one of you. Thank you very much.
Good speech. I especially like the second
That was one of the best. You can top that one. Well, I said it many times. It's one of the best crews I've ever worked with. Set designer who can design an entire set for $60. It's like
$57.
$57. I would like to note on the record our total production budget is
50 ringgit 40 cents, I think.
450, 41540. That is probably the smallest budget I've ever worked with in my entire life. It's fantastic. Roisin, I think that it's great not to do it to stop being a stage manager, but I would fully understand it and fully support it. Stage managers will exactly in this country. Murphy, I have to say it now, it will never be said. Your doorbell. The most perfect doorbell ever existed.
Oh my god.
And topped only by the door squeak.
Okay.
It's a real pleasure working at the back, at the console with you guys. Arman, your lighting is something else. I think a lot of the theatre people who came to see the show had very positive and strong comments to make about lighting. It was dramatic, it was forceful, and every single element had purpose. Well done. Actors, Ineza Udayanti, I think this was one of your more challenging roles, yes? I think you did very well, you were very brave to make the switch. Know that you are not very happy with your performance, but I think it was for us a pleasure to watch every night. Every laugh and laugh and laugh today when you fish at another dish. But you did a very good job, well done. How's everybody now? You are. I think you enjoyed your role, yes?
Yes.
Although it was very painful to do every single night to try and try again. And I think that I can only hope that you will do more of this kind of theatre. The one that forces people to think about themselves and their place in society. Because I think you have a knack for that.
Thank you.
I think it's something you should really seriously consider. But again, fantastic show.
Thank you.
Well done. And Ian, thank you for helping us bump out.
I think Elsa has a knack for slapping society.